into the shadows of the past, legends await their return. At its Alive Automotive, we awaken the soul of history.
With precision and passion, our experts breathe life into every component, reviving the essence of its glory. Every classic has a story, and every detail matters. We carefully restore all kinds of Jaguars, from Series 1 to 3 to XK models. Our facility is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, redefining standards in vehicle restoration and maintenance. At the heart of its Alive Automotive, dreams are reborn, legends are restored, and the impossible becomes possible.
From forgotten to unforgettable.